Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Manjeet Kumar. I am from Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from AK2 University in 2022. After that, I was looking for a job in IT sectors, but I did not get a job in IT field. Then one of my friends suggested to me join Evision, and then I had joined Evision, where I have learned about like IT skills in networking and AWS, cloud computing, cyber security, and finally got selected in team computer with salary offered 3 LPA. So this is my suggestion to all job seekers and freshers that join Evision and get placed in IT field. Thank you, Vision.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.